Let's start. Today we will see how to implement a number picker in Java Android. Let's see the project structure. Here we have the main activity. And in the UI, we have the activity_main.xml file, which is the layout of the main activity. Let's see the UI. Here we have a number picker. And below that, we have a text view to show the result of the selected number. This is the UI code of the number picker. Let's see the Java code now. These are the imports. This is the main activity. In the onCreate function, we set up various attributes of the number picker, like its minimum value as 0, maximum value as 100, and default value as 10. The setWrapSelector will attribute is set to false, so that the number picker will not be spinning in a loop from 0 to 100. It will stop at 0 and also stop at 100. It won't move in a continuous circular motion. Then we set the number picker formatter. Here we can design what shall be the format of the numbers in the number picker. By default, the numbers would either be 1 or 2 digits, as we are going to have the numbers between 0 and 100. But here, we have set the formatted value as 3. So all the numbers would be in a format of 3 digits. You will understand this when we run this app. Then we set up a few more attributes like text color and text size. Finally, we set up the setOnValueChangedListener. When the user spins the number picker and stops at a certain point, that value is captured here and is shown in the text view, as a result. Let's run the app. So that's it. That's how you can implement a number picker in Java Android. Thanks for watching.